Hey everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Stephanie and this is
Brooke,
my daughter. In case you are here for the first time, we do monthly unboxings. We have BoxyCharm and DermStore BeautyFIX box to unbox this month. And I've been doing my standout products from each box. There's Luke's butt. Great. So we're going to do BoxyCharm first because that's the one that Brooke really likes the most. The DermStore BeautyFIX. It has some makeup sometimes. He's making a lot of noise back there. It has some makeup sometimes, but it's mostly hand-selected skincare or curated. I guess that's the word I was looking for. And hair care. And she's not as interested in that. She may stick around, but she may not. So I'm going to do my standout products from BoxyCharm first. And then I'll go on to DermStore. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription box with 4 to 5 full-size products, no samples. It's $21 a month, and that's why it's a little bit more than most other subscription service boxes. Am I saying things right? Subscription service boxes sounded funny. It does have full-size products in it. So I only have 2 really standout products from last month, and I'm not gonna waste a lot of time. I have been really liking this Brow Power brow pencil in Universal Taupe. I've been using this almost every day since I got it. I was a little skeptical because it is in Universal Taupe and a lot of times the universal colors are a little bit too dark for my brows. I've gone a little darker with my hair color, so that might be why it's working, but I find that it's not too warm. It's actually a really great color and its depth is dependent on how hard you use it. So if you press a little lighter, it goes a little lighter, which I like to do at the front of my brow, and at the tail of my brow, I press a little darker. Is that really interesting for you? And I kind of like the rectangular shape. It's easy, it's quick. I like it. Who doesn't like easy and quick, right?
Right.
So let's talk about this Glam Metals palette from Crown Pro. This is the one that really caught your eye, isn't it?
Yes.
I have used this a couple of times. I actually really like it. I thought because it was called Glam Metals that it might be a little too metallic to be able to be used on a daily basis. These are really pigmented. They last nicely throughout the day, and I find that they can be quite wearable. This is not an all-in-one palette. This is more of a supplemental palette because there are no matte shades in here, but I like these for the lid. And this is a nice supplemental palette if you need some shimmery shades. They're not too glittery, they're not too shimmery, they're not too over the top. They can be used every day for a wash of color on the lids or however you want to wear them. You ready to move on?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's move on to the February Boxycharm. I need some scissors. Okay, here we go. There's usually a card in the top.
The theme is Galaxy Glow. Here's that.
All right.
And it came with a little 20% off your next purchase at CURATED.
Ah, so there must be something Cover FX in here, which is usually pretty good. I'll let you pull.
This is just on top. It's a Naked Cosmetics, and that's really pretty.
Hollow.
Yeah. All right.
That is pretty. I don't know anything from Naked Cosmetics.
Wow,
Do you?
that's cool. Yeah, all I was thinking of was Urban Decay Naked.
Right, me too.
Oh, it's like highlighters, I think. Or
Yeah.
eyeshadow, maybe? I don't know.
Let's see.
Wow,
What does
that's
it say on the card? I'll read on the card if you want to look at it. It says it's a holographic highlighter palette.
Wow.
It retails for $39.99 and it has 6 stunning holographic highlighters. For any makeup enthusiast, it's perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. I'm just going to show you really quickly kind of how chalky they are on the hands when I just did one swipe through. I just wanted you guys to see that. It was a little surprising. Okay, Brooke has the top row swatched.
You can't really see the last one, which is the like red type one.
Yeah, they're in this order as well.
But they're kind of chalky, I guess.
Yeah, I feel like these are ones that you're really going to have to see
what they look like.
What they look like. So I swatched this row right here, and this is what that looks like right there. So you can see some chalkiness in there. Usually that doesn't go really well for highlighter on the face. It usually means it emphasizes texture. We're actually gonna put these on our face, and I just looked in the box and there is a set of 3 Crown brushes. I like Crown brushes, and these kind of look like the Wet n Wild brushes, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Okay, and the Crown brushes are $29.99.
Small brush said it can be used for concealer and to highlight under the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and the perimeter of the face, and the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Okay, so here's the brushes. They're really soft. I don't know if any of these are gonna do highlighter really well. I'm gonna try this one.
Which color should I do?
Whatever you want, my love.
I think I'll do the yellow.
Go for it.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever worn yellow highlighter.
How much should I put on?
Just a little bit is good. And maybe tap off the brush.
Mine's not showing up. There we go.
Okay, this is showing up very densely because of this brush probably.
How is yours showing up?
It's pink. If you want a colored highlighter, you are gonna get it. And I'm gonna use a little bit of a less...
How does mine look?
It looks not wet, it looks textured.
Yeah.
It's a textured highlighter. I'm gonna use a less dense brush in the purple one on the other side of my face.
Do you have another brush you can use?
Yeah, go get that Real Techniques brush from the drawer.
Should I just use the same one?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're pigmented.
I'll
You can
use the
see
blue.
these. I'm totally using the wrong brushes, but you can still get a good feel. I mean, I would never use this particular brush to highlight with, but it's not too dense. All my brushes were packed for travel this weekend.
They're very glittery, I think. I feel like you can see them better on you. You can see that. The blue?
Yeah, I can see it. It's sparkly. So if you want a subtle highlighter, this palette is not going to be it. I'll just say that much.
Next is this Vintage by Jessica Libeskind.
I've gotten highlighters from that brand before, and I actually liked them.
Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. So there's that.
It is $21, and you can smudge it or not, and it glides on lids without tugging or pulling. So it looks like it's just a jet black eye pencil.
Feels good.
It's pretty black.
Usually these kinds of highlighters I don't like because they're all rough and stuff, but this one like glides pretty well. My line's pretty shaky, but
that's a user error. Okay, let's move on to the next product. What is this? Ooh, what is this? Look, she's still playing with the liner. Bellapierre. It just says Cosmic Glue on the back. I have no idea what this is.
It's an ultra-fine, loose cosmetic face and body glitter.
I'm probably never going to use this. Yeah. Will you? Okay, so I'm going to recap this and put this in probably a giveaway or give it to someone who can use this, because I hate opening products that I'm never going to use just to open them to show you, because I just think it's wasteful when someone else could probably use this.
And even I don't really want that. So.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's just not practical for either one of us. So it does look really pretty though, if you can see that. If you are into glittery type products, the color looks really pretty. Last product.
Yes, this is the CoverFX thing, and this is a shimmer veil.
Okay, wait, these are new. I've heard about these. This is $28. These are crease-proof shimmering cream colors for eye looks for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, actually, and they are for all skin types. It's a pretty color. It's just very, very pinky. I am gonna swatch this. That's really pinky. You like it though? You'd probably wear this.
It'd be good for Valentine's Day.
It's kind of an iridescent pink.
Maybe that's why they put pink in, because it's February.
Yeah, maybe. It's a really, really pretty color. I think I would like this in a different type of color, Galaxy Glow. So it goes with the theme. I am wondering if any of you subscribe to Boxycharm if you got a different color than this. This color is called Amethyst. So it makes sense. Yeah. It's got kind of a purple shift to it.
I like it. It's pretty.
It's really pretty.
It's just...
So, I mean, I think you could incorporate this into a very pretty look. I could even see this with like a blue, like a navy. That would be pretty. All right, I am ready to move on to DermStore BeautyFIX. Are you gonna sit here with me or are you gonna move on?
I'm gonna move on.
Can you just stick around and clear me some space?
Yes, I'll be your helper.
Thank you, assistant.
You can just start while I clean.
Okay, so DermStore BeautyFIX is $24.95 a month if you subscribe, and you can cancel at any time. If you don't subscribe, you can get the box that you want for $34.95 for a one-time box. They usually include around, I want to say 6 products. Some are full size, and then they have deluxe travel sizes, and then sometimes they have some sample sizes in there too. Overall, I've been very happy with these boxes. These are sent to me from DermStore. This is not sponsored. I have to say, I've discovered some really nice products. I'm trying to open it while I talk. It's not easy. I'm glad that they do send this to me because you guys have discovered some good products from this box as well, and some of you have been very happy to subscribe. Oh my gosh, I can't get this open. And some of you have told me that you have been really happy to be subscribing to this DermStore box. Like I said, most of them have been pretty good. I've gotten, I think, just one that I just thought was kind of just okay. All right, bye.
Bye.
So this one is called Red Carpet Ready. Beauty experts curated this box with glam tricks and hits starlets use behind the scenes so that you can steal the spotlight this season. So let's see what's in this box. Before I get started, I have to give you my 2 product updates from January BeautyFIX. Okay, I'm moving to the center since I have been left. Even though we still see you, we still see you.
I'm cutting loose.
I really loved this lip quench and its DermStore brand. I didn't even know they had their own brand of anything, but this has been really, really nice. It has a slight tint to it, if you can see in the tube. It makes my lips look nice and shimmery if I just want to throw it on, but it really does moisturize my lips, and I am a sucker for a good lip balm. This lip balm has been really nice. This Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. I am really, really particular with my volumizers that I spray at the root because I find a lot of times they either make my hair feel like they have product buildup or they just flat out don't work. This one does not contain alcohol. I actually left this little tag on here. It says this multitasking styler delivers instant and long-lasting root to tip volume, providing flexible hold and leaving hair touchably soft. And I find that it does that. It volumizes, it doesn't make my hair feel gunky, and it gives it a little bit of shine, and it makes it feel really soft. This has been a really good size too. I am actually traveling with this. When this gets low, I do plan on purchasing a full size and keeping this travel size refilled in my travel bag. It'd be nice to have a full size without alcohol in it because I had a great one I put in my favorites. It's a 10 brand. It has alcohol in it. It works really great, but I like having an alcohol-free option. So that was a hit. Okay, moving on to this month. The first thing I see in this box is the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This is a nice size too. It's 1.7 fluid ounces, so this is definitely a deluxe size. This says it will alleviate fine lines, acne, and visible pores and will breathe new life into your complexion. You can use it day and night. I would love to try this. I've kind of been into toners lately and things that will just kind of revive and make your skin look glowy. I started out just using the Pixie Glow Tonic a while back, but I've gotten into trying some different ones lately, and I'm anxious to try this one. The next thing that I see is also a very good size sample. This is 2 ounces. This is the Nick Chavez Horsetail Root Lifting Spray, another root lifter. That's kind of weird to have 2 root lifting sprays 2 months in a row. It says, thank you Luke for that sneeze. This has horsetail extract and volumizing ingredients that add instant height and drama to your hair. So I will try this one out too. I'm not sure why they did 2 root volumizers 2 months in a row. But hey, I'm always looking to find good ones, so I'll of course try that too. The next thing I see in the box is this Elon Lanolin Rich Nail Conditioner. This looks good. This is supposed to give your mani the same TLC you give your skin and helps prevent cracking, splitting, and other not so camera friendly nail conditions. This actually might be a full size. This looks about the same size as this full size lip balm. So I would think that that's probably full size. This is pretty. This is a makeup product, Brooke. This is Manna Kadar. I've never heard of this brand. Cosmetics Glow Illuminator. It says it all starts with your glowing base. This all-over highlighter illuminates your skin for enviable radiating from within complexion. For that enviable radiating from within complexion. Plus it works beautifully when mixed in with your foundation. So that actually had a seal on it. I just took off. The packaging is actually matte. I still have that swatch on my hand of the Cover FX product. So this looks really, really subtle on the hand. I don't know if you can even see that. Here's that Cover FX product, and here is that illuminator. I think that would look really nice and really subtle, and it does look like it would give a nice glow to the skin. I'm anxious to try that. It feels good. It doesn't feel greasy or anything. Doesn't have a scent. The next product is this Lancer Skincare Lift and Plump Sheet Mask. This has apple stem cell coupled with hyaluronic acid to visibly tone, tighten, and firm your skin. And this says to use it before your next big event. So it probably just leaves your skin plump and radiant and nice looking. This is a good box. I like this box. I'm already saying it. I think all the products are a nice size. This is the Replenix Retinol Forte Treatment Serum 3X. Botox in a bottle without ever having to visit the derm's office. A retinol treatment is a go-to for A-listers and film fans alike. This potent formula features a powerful combination of antioxidants and caffeine so that your skin may be protected and renewed all at once. Apply once daily in the evening. On the back of the box, it says in 6 weeks, 83% of patients said skin appears younger, 92% said skin is brighter and more even toned, and 100% of patients said that skin was visibly smoother and pores are less noticeable. It doesn't say how many patients they sampled. It's 0.35 ounces. So it's about the same size as the lip balm. I don't know if that's enough for 6 weeks. Probably not. But still, it would be interesting to try that. And the last product is the La Roche-Posay Lipikar Daily Repair Moisturizing Lotion, your last moisturizing step that nourishes winter skin and brings forth a soft, silky texture that will help you glow throughout the season. This is 0.5 ounces. I find that the size of their products is usually pretty good in these DermStore boxes. So I feel like this was a really good box. I feel like all the sizes are pretty decent and all the products look very interesting to me. That's all we have for the February unboxing video. I hope you join us next month for our March unboxing. Thank you so much for joining us. There's Luke. Is he gonna say bye? And if you are not subscribed to Brooke's channel, I'm gonna have the link down below and I'll put it also in a card. Oh, hi. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell too so that you're notified when I upload. And if you're not following me on social media, I'll put that on the screen and down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.